In this video, I am going to show you how to use time picker in Android project using Kotlin. So first, create a new project and select empty huge activity and click on next and give the project name here and keep the language Kotlin and click on finish. Now Gradle project sync has finished. Now open the Gradle script and go to the build Gradle and add a view binding here. View binding is equal to true and sync the project now. Now open the activity main XML. Now add a time picker here. Time picker. Now add a text view and give the ID text view for output and add a time picker and give the ID time picker and constraint with text view. Now go to the main activity and now add a binding activity main binding and set content view binding dot root. Now add the time change listener on time picker. So binding dot time picker dot set on time change listener. Select this and first is view comma and second return hour in integer and now in minute. First create a variable am pm is equal and now create a variables var n an hour is equal hour. Now pass a condition. If hour is equal 0 then am pm is equal am and if hour is equal 12 then am pm is pm. Else if hour greater than 12 then am pm is equal pm. So when hour 0 an hour equal 12 and AM PM is equal AM. When hour is equal 12, then AM PM is equal PM. And next is when hour greater than 12, then an hour is equal 12 and AM PM is equal PM. Now else AM PM is equal AM. Now create a variable time val time is equal, and first format this value single digit to double digit. So percentage 0 2D dot format and an hour, the value of the hour, and plus and time separator and plus. Now format the minute in 2 digit. So percentage 0 2D and dot format and pass the value of minute, this minute mi minute, and plus space and plus AM PM. Now post this value on the text view. So binding dot text view dot text is equal time. Now run the app. Now our app is running. Now click on the time picker and our time is displaying hour, minutes and AM PM. Now you can set the minute also and select the AM and PM. If you want to set time picker 24-hour view, then binding dot time picker dot set each 24-hour view and pass the value true. Now run the app and see the result. So our time picker clock is displaying 24-hour view. Thank you for watching this video.